Hello, friends and Diecast fans. Yes, all these beautiful cars are from the flea market. In this video I will show you what I picked up a couple of days ago at the flea market. Okay, it's a Mercedes-Benz in gold. A classic car from the 80s. A beautiful car without tires and in not the best condition. Glass headlights, chrome wheels, one of this pullback engine things, scratched windshield. A beautiful car. And the next one, another Mercedes. This one is in the colors of the German police. Looks not great. Definitely a custom car. A Mad Max paint job or something. Pillar here is broken. Doors open. Orange windshields. Orange seats. And white body with green doors. Metal body. Nice solid car. The hook is missing. German license plates on it. Not bad. Okay, the next car is a real classic. Or some sort of. Broken windshield, missing lights, missing door, missing whatever was in the back, and missing spare tire. Beautiful. What a classic piece of junk. The door opens, the other door misses. Made in China and nothing else. With on this back pull engine motor things, I don't know. Okay, the next one. And now we came to the normal diecast scale cars. Matchbox, Majorette, Hot Wheels, whatever. It's a Renault, however you call it. Suspension, classic Majorette wheels. Door doesn't open. Nice interior. Nice condition. Chrome metal base. Renault 5. Beautiful little car. Ram. And now to the English cars. A good old, some kind of Jaguar E-Type. With a big engine. Interior is missing, the windshield, plastic, roof is missing. Big heavy side pipes. Metal body. Plastic wheels. Definitely a repair or custom job car. And the next one. Come on. Yes, a good old Jeep. That's in a really good shape. Besides it's missing the roof and the windshield. It's something for restoration. Or custom or however. On a Jeep you don't need a roof or a windshield. Windshields are for pussies. Steering wheel. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, the next one. A good old pickup. Look how the bed is bent. Scratched roof. Broken windshield. A perfect car for a custom. This was one of these zoo cars with the animals on the back rotating, however. I like it. I would drive it. If it would drive. Anyway. Okay, the next one. That's one of the best I picked up. Good paint job. Nice suspension. Roll like new. Definitely some scratches and dents and paint chips. Not bad. Not bad at all. Porsche. A race car from Matchbox. Plastic body. Not bad. Okay, the next car is definitely some really nice. It's a perfect car for a Mad Max custom. I just need to add some machine guns and it's finished. Beautiful. I love it. It's perfect. Oh yeah. I love it. I would drive it definitely. Solid metal body. So the next one is a car I really love. A good old 70s Mercedes. This one looks like it had a horrible engine fire. The complete paint from the front is missing. I love it. A rusty old Mercedes. Made in China, plastic base, metal body, not bad. Okay, that's the end of the video. Just let me show you the cars one last time in the good old junkyard style. So, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.